Hello friends, welcome to my channel 2 States Foodie. Today we are going to prepare crispy, homemade, Indian style French fries. Let's see the ingredients first. Big sized potato, I have taken one here. You may take any quantity as per your requirements. Any cooking oil to fry. Salt as per taste. Half tablespoon chili flakes. You might take pepper powder also as an alternative. Half tablespoon chaat masala. 1 tablespoon corn flour, 1 tablespoon rice flour. Corn flour and rice flour have to be mixed just to coat the potato slices. First we need to cut the potatoes about half of an inch slices. The measurement should be like this. Then wash the potato slices thoroughly to remove all the starch and then soak into cool water for 30 minutes in the fridge. Now take a container and boil the water by adding salt and turn off the heat to blanch the potatoes for about 6 minutes. Now here blanching and boiling is very different from each other. Blanching is dipping the vegetables in hot water for a very short period of time to partially cook it after turning off the heat. Now we should blanch the potatoes for about 6 minutes. After blanching the potatoes, take it out from water and strain it. Then dry them out very nicely with the help of a spare kitchen towel. It should be dried very nicely. Then take a small container and store it in the deep fridge for about 2 hours. Then we can fry the potatoes whenever we wish. And the storing effect will give the desired crispiness to the potatoes. After taking out the potatoes from the fridge, spread it on a plate evenly. Then take a small container, add corn flour and rice flour. Then mix it properly with the help of a spoon, which will give the desired crispiness. Then spread it on the potatoes and coat it evenly. Remember, the coat should be very thin and evenly coated. For the French fries to be crispy, this step is very important. You should do likewise I am showing here. The spreading should be very thin and even. Now the coating is done for all the potatoes. It is ready to be fried. Now take a frying vessel, pour the oil and heat it. Now the oil is hot. We need to fry the potatoes in a low or medium flame until the potatoes are golden brown. After frying, sprinkle chili flakes, chaat masala, add salt and spread the mixture properly. Here we go. Our crispy homemade Indian style French fries are ready to be served. So if you find this video interesting, please like and share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.